Updating your payment information on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear or similar symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu where you can manage your account information. Step 3. Select payment information. Within the settings menu, find the option labeled payment information or payment methods. This section allows you to view and edit your current payment details. Step 4. Update your information. Choose the payment method you wish to update, such as your bank account or debit card. Enter the new information as required, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, look for a Save or Confirm button. Tap it to ensure your changes are stored and your payment information is up to date. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information on Zelle. Make sure to review your details periodically to keep your account secure and functional.